Hello and welcome to the Indicator Warehouse. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the brand new Trailblazer. The Trailblazer is a unique money management tool that is very similar to NinjaTrader ChartTrader. However, Trailblazer is like Ninja ChartTrader on steroids. Let's go ahead and dive in and let me show you what I'm talking about. The first thing that I'd like to say before we do that is I get so many emails and so many phone calls asking, how do I program the NinjaTrader ChartTrader ATM strategies to follow, say, a particular stop, like an ATR or a moving average? Well, I'll tell you what, the answer has now been made simple. Don't worry about programming it, just get the Trailblazer. We've taken all the guesswork out of order entry, ATM strategies, as well as automated stops. Now, let's go ahead and dive in and take a quick look here at the Trailblazer. So we're taking a look at our control panel here for the Trailblazer. And you're going to see that it's got the same exact functions as the NinjaTrader ChartTrader. However, we've added a lot more to it. Like I said, similar functionality in that we've got both buy and sell market buttons. We've also got buy ask, buy bid, sell ask, and sell bid. And of course, there's the ever famous close button right here. But we've also made a couple of additions. Rather than having to go in and program each ATM strategy, we can actually make our changes right up here on the fly on Trailblazer. Let's go ahead and get started with how we would set up our orders. Currently, I've got Trailblazer set up for one order with a 10-tick profit target. Let's say I want to trade two contracts. All I've got to do is simply click up and add a contract right there. And if I want to add a profit target, I can either set it to whatever profit target I'm looking for contract number 2, or I can leave that at 0. All right, now let's go ahead and let's say we want to add 3 contracts. Once again, on the fly, simple and easy. Click right here. There's another contract, and we can either pick a profit target, or in this case, I'm going to leave it at 0 so we can use number 3 as a runner. One of the other cool features that we've added with the Trailblazer is not only do we manually have the ability to go to break even plus or minus whatever ticks we want to go to, but we're also able to program automated break even strategies within Trailblazer itself. Let me go ahead and show you how to do that. Okay, well, I'm inside the strategy itself right here, and if we look down here at the second set of parameters, auto break-even parameters, all I've simply got to do is go to position number 1. I can change that to true, and then all I need to do is factor in my break-even trigger in ticks. And in this case, I'm going to go ahead and leave it set at when my profit target gets to 15 ticks, I automatically go to break even plus 1. Alright, so before we get into the live demonstration, I want to go ahead and I want to show you one of the coolest things that we've created for the Trailblazer, and that is the fact that we have automated stops available. Right now, you're currently looking at the ATR stop, and all of the stops are signified by these light blue dots that you're seeing right here. Right now, as I said, we're looking at the ATR. Now we're looking at our MA stop. One thing that I want to point out is that we have 8 different moving averages available. And again, all these moving averages are adjustable. There's parabolic SAR, super trend, that's the chandelier stop, and there's a fixed tick stop available as well. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get ready. Let's dive in to a live demonstration so I can show you how easy Trailblazer is to use. So for this demonstration, I'm using the new Raptor as a backdrop. And I'm just going to sit, I'm going to wait for my signal here, and then let's go ahead and then let's place our order. The cool thing about the Trailblazer is it's an easy one-click order process. If we check the enabled box here for trail indicator, all I simply have to do is do a simple one-click entry. Okay, so I've already got my 2 buy warning dots right here. I'm going to anticipate my order here on the NQ at 65 3/4, 1 tick higher than my logic counter. And all I've simply got to do is one click, left click with the mouse, put my buy stop of 3,
order pending,
and I'm ready to go. When this order fills, my stop is automatically going to be placed down here at my ATR stop. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and I am going to automatically have the Trailblazer place my stop for me right here at my ATR. Let's just be patient, wait for this order to fill, and then watch what happens.
Order pending.
All right, so I've entered this trade right here. And as you can see, Trailblazer has automatically placed my stop. Now, once I'm in the trade, I can either tighten or loosen my stop manually. I can leave it here and let the Trailblazer manage the trade, and I can also adjust my profit targets as well. Now, as I just showed you, we can move our profit targets wherever we like. Here's another thing, we can also move our break-even strategy wherever we like as well. Let's wait and see what happens here. All right, so what we've just seen there is we quickly ran up, we took out profit target number 1, and as you can see, the trade has brought itself to break-even +1 automatically. Now we're just waiting on target number 2.
Order filled.
All right, well, there we have it. We just took out profit target number 3. And as we can see, our ATR has already picked up our stop yet again. Now, as I mentioned earlier in the video, you can actually change the stop type while you are in a trade. All you've simply got to do is click the preview button on, and then let's say we want maybe a quicker stop. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bar high, bar low. Look here at the dashed orange line that is right here. All we've got to do to enable the bar high, bar low is set it to where we want. And in this case, I've got it set to 5 bars back plus 1 tick. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set it back to 1 bar with a 1 tick offset. I'm going to go ahead and accept it. Watch what happens to my stop. There we have it, nice and tight, protecting lots of profit. Let's just be patient and let's find out where this trade is going to wind up. Bar high, bar low is going to trail behind each bar 1 tick.
Order filled.
Well, all right, guys. Looks like we're done on that particular trade there. If you guys have any questions about the Trailblazer, please feel free to email me at ray@indicatorwarehouse.com. Thanks and have a great day.